let's open a SpongeBob Miniverse capsule. Open it up. So first we have our table, and look at the little gum detail on the bottom of the table. So here's the table. Goofy Goober. Yeah, that's the little sheet, but let's see what we got. So we have Choco Syrup. We have a little pineapple topper thing, some of those, tongs and a spoon, and that thing. And, oh, we got the sundae, banana cherry, Goofy Goober mix. There's the little cup. And vanilla ice cream. Let's build it and see how it comes out. Set up my little capsule, that's what that was for. And then the table's all done, but let's get to making the sundae. So we have our sundae, and we're just gonna, there's our vanilla ice cream. Here's how my Goofy Goober sundae came out. I know it's not the best, but there it is. Stay tuned for part 2 where I open this capsule. I'm really hoping for the Pretty Patties, so